Hiring a coach to help you grow your private practice and attract new clients is not an easy thing to do. It requires consideration of budgeting, requires research, and it also requires you to think about what kind of help you actually need. I remember when I first hired a coach to help me grow my business, I was really confused about what I needed the coach to help me with. As a result, I made a few mistakes along the way, and I do not want you to make the same mistakes. I'm Avivit Fisher. I'm a marketing coach for therapists. I help therapists fill their caseload with private pay clients, and today I want to share with you my experience of hiring a coach and give you a few insights to help you along the way. When you first decide to hire a coach, you really need to think about what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, right? So figure out what things in private practice, in the business of private practice, you can handle on your own. Maybe you're great at finances. Maybe you're very diligent and organized. Or maybe you're very outgoing and you're very good in social media and marketing and so on. So understanding what your strengths are is a huge plus. But on the other hand, you need to understand what your weaknesses are as well. This is where hiring a coach can come in handy. It just can help you level up your skills and get from point A to point B quicker. This is what coaching is all about. So that brings me to my second point. Understand what your goals are in private practice, right? Maybe your goals are very simple. Maybe you're just launching and you need somebody to help you go through the process. Somebody who's been there or somebody who is very educated and knowledgeable about the process of launching of private practice from a legal perspective, financial perspective, and so on. Or maybe you need somebody to help you attract clients and you are just not very good at marketing and you don't really know where to start and how to go about generating referrals to your private practice. In that case, you need a coach that would be helpful to you with marketing. Understanding what your goals are and understanding what your weaknesses and strengths are will help you understand the direction of your search for a coach. So once you know that, you can start searching for a coach. And I would start first with asking your network, asking your professional or even personal network if they could recommend somebody. The best experts come by word of mouth or just a recommendation. If you don't have anybody within your immediate network, maybe listen to a podcast or two within your industry, within mental health space. There's a lot of coaches and experts that come on podcasts and talk about their services and talk how they can help their clients. So this is a good place to start. Also, you can just start by doing a Google search. A simple Google search can help you find a coach within the niche that you're trying to tackle, right? So if you're looking for a finance coach, you should just Google for a finance coach for therapists. If you're looking for a marketing coach, you can Google marketing coach for therapists and just start doing your research. Learn about them, see if you like them, listen to them speak in videos or read their content, follow them on social media, and decide if you want to book an appointment with them. An appointment with them, usually it's a discovery call, it's like an interview, and it's really for you and the coach to see if you are a good fit for each other. So these are my tips in finding the right business or marketing coach for your private practice. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments here below, and make sure to check my blog. I have a link in the description about a step-by-step process of finding a coach for your private practice.